Hello, it's Monday, February 28, 2011, and I'm Lee Stone with the Daily Outlook from MaxiForex. The dollar traded mixed against most of the other major currencies as the prelim GDP came out at 2.8%, worse than the expected 3.3%. And the Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index came out at 77.5, better than the expected 75.1. The stock markets in the U.S. closed positive as the Dow Jones jumped by 0.51% and the Nasdaq gained 1.58%. Crude oil appreciated by 0.7% and closed at $98.20 a barrel. Gold rose as well and closed at $1,410 per ounce. Today, the Chicago PMI is expected at 67.9 versus 68.8 previously, and pending home sales are expected at minus 2.2% versus 2% previously. The euro fell against the greenback after it touched its highest level since the beginning of the month. The German prelim CPI came out as expected, unchanged at 0.5%. Holding below the key resistance level of 138.40 turns the momentum of the pair to negative once again. Overall, Euro USD traded with a low of 137.14 and with a high of 138.37. Today, the CPI is expected unchanged at 2.4%. The pound fell against the dollar after the GDP came out at minus 0.6%, worse than the expected 0.5%. Holding below the resistance level of 161.80 keeps the momentum negative for the pair. Overall, GBPUSD traded with a low of 160.30 and with a high of 161.60. No economic data is expected today. The yen rose against the dollar as the conflict in Libya surged oil prices to a record high, boosting demand for the yen as a refuge. Breaking the support level of 81.60 might extend a decline in the pair. Overall, USDJPY traded with a low of 81.61 and with a high of 82.05. Today, household spending is expected at minus 1.3% versus minus 3.3% previously. The Canadian dollar rose against the U.S. dollar, posting its highest level since 2008 as crude oil surged on Libya's turmoil. Breaking the support level of 0.9770 might extend the decline in the pair. Overall, USD CAD traded with a low of 0.9770 and with a high of 0.9830. Today, the GDP is expected at 0.3% versus 0.4% previously, and the current account is expected at minus 9.4 billion versus minus 17.5 billion previously. Well, that's it for me. Be sure to visit us at MaxiForex.ru.